guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some chewy oatmeal cookies. If you like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think. So first you're going to go ahead and add some brown sugar and 1 egg. I use sugar in the raw, but you can use brown sugar if you'd like. You're going to add some vanilla and some pumpkin pie spice seasoning and also some salt. If you don't have the pumpkin pie spice seasoning, you can use some nutmeg and some cinnamon. You're going to add some butter and pretty much just mix this all up. At this point, I've added half a cup of oatmeal and some baking soda. I'm pretty much going to gradually add the oatmeal once the baking soda has been thoroughly mixed through. At this point, I've added the rest of my oatmeal. I'm also going to add some flour and mix it up all good. Lastly, I'll add my cranberries and I will be ready to scoop them into little balls and add them to a greased pan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think.